I don't know what everybody else does in a snowstorm, but I always think it's a good idea to get something big. So let's see what we can come up with. Huh? What was that? Oh shit. That's good enough. good.
What part is that?
That leg, there's another leg they're missing, but the leg broke off. This big. It rolled off.
Yeah. It slid right off there.
Well, it's frozen.
Yeah. Stop right there, that's good enough. Getting close to that hill, you're gonna take off. You're getting close to that hill. Just move your bucket that way.
This is the latest addition to a 225 cat excavator. I got this dirt cheap. I bought it basically for scrap price. It has a hydraulic pump that's out and a few other things that need to be fixed on it. Needs to have a thumb added, but everything else is in really good shape. Starts right up, runs good. We can use this out at the farm here to build a couple ponds, clean up the farm. Then I'll sell it and get rid of it. But I figured you'd like to see what I was up to. The worst part about this debacle is the guy that had it goes, I can load it, no problem. Well, my shipper decided to pick it up when it was 17 below in Iowa, right? 17 below in the location it is. So the poor guy loading this thing, loading it in the cold. I'm unloading it, it's all ice, the trailer's ice. I slid this thing off the trailer because metal on metal is bad enough, but when you add ice, it makes it a whole new level of bad. And I broke one of the legs, or one of the things that stick off the side of the trailer for him to add more support or something, or protection. You just can't win for trying. So we'll see what that cost me. But at least it's here, it's unloaded. Took him 3 hours to load it because the guy wasn't really prepared to load this. I actually got a phone call and had to talk him through of how to get it on the trailer. And they got it on. And it took me about 15 minutes, 20 minutes to unload it. So anyway, hope you find it interesting. Hope you're doing well. Just wanted to show you the new toy that showed up.